Hello everybody, it's Patty here, the Alaskan Cross Stitcher with a Flosstube Extra. I've never done one of these before, but I thought, what the heck, why not do an unboxing? So sit back, relax, grab your beverage of choice. I'm doing a brown sugar oat milk. Yummy, yummy. And let's get on with it. So today I received my StitchNButton Halloween mystery box. So I've only just opened this part. And now, let me get my little table and my glasses. I guess I should put those on so I can see. And put it out on this little table here. Okay. Ooh, even more. And more. Yay! So this is Vicky, StitchNButton's Halloween bag. I just dropped a Tootsie Roll. She sent me this package plus this cute little sticker on the front. Isn't that cool? I like it. Wish I could get it off, but I'm afraid it would rip. So, yay! There was candy. So, little candies, and another one just fell at my feet. So, I'll pick those up later. Okay, oh, Frankenstein bag. And in the Frankenstein bag is more candy. Grab that all out. So, there's some more candy. And a Swiss Miss hot cocoa mix. Really cool. Really cool. And another piece of candy. So I'm going to put all these little pieces of candy back in the Frank bag. I like that Frank bag. It's cute. It's very, very cute. Okay, let's see. Just stick it there, I guess. I'll have to go up there because this table I have is a really small little table and it's full. Okay. Oh, and the little sticker. Warning. Opening this package will cause extreme happiness. That is so cute. I love that sticker. So inside this we have, ooh, cool, potions pouch. So very cool. Little zipped bag. And this is from, oh, it has StitchNButton's business card. Oh, cool. A wand pen. That's super cool. Let's see, we've got some little doodads here. And some more. The bat. There we go. There. Oop. One fell on the floor. And another little skull. And a cute stitch marker. Or not a stitch marker. I'm thinking knitting. Sorry. This is a needle minder. There we go. Super cool needle minder. I really like that. This one is definitely going on a project right away. And it was housed in this neat little bag. Oh, cool. So there's some thread drops. Thread drops with stickers so you can put them on there and write the number down. I like these coffin shape stitch markers. And I guess this is a floss drop holder. So that's really cool. And also a stitch, one of those stitch removers. So a Frogger. I like that. I can't quite read what that says, but hopefully you guys can see where that came from. Okay. And a little thank you card. Oh, or thank you stickers, actually. So these are some cute stickers, or some Halloween stickers. Oh, I like that one. That one's super cool. And it was housed in this, I guess you could, it's like a, you could put needles, you know, a needle book maybe with needles here, scissors or whatever, and the floss holder that snaps. That's pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, gotta kind of move the stuff here. And then it came with a bag that she made. Oh, I really like this. So this is a Stitch and Button bag with a needle and a ghost. I like this fabric. Haunted house. That is so cool. Really like this fabric. And it also came with a pattern. I was not expecting a pattern, but that's cool. It's a Fox and Rabbit Graveyard Jack. Well, I guess I didn't know what to expect. So I like that. This might have to be started soon. I like that a lot. Okay. So that is what came in this. It's called an Ort book with pockets is what this is. Okay, cool. Yeah, I really like that a lot. I really don't have anything else to say. I like the bag. I really like the pattern. It uses Weeks Dye Works, Classic Color Works, so I'll have to figure out what colors I can substitute. It's not like I don't have enough floss to substitute it with and find a nice piece of fabric. They suggest it on a 40 count, but I will probably do something different. Probably a 36 or a 32. So, yeah. I'm really jazzed with this package. I really like it a lot. There's several things in here that are really interesting. Especially this stitch remover. So that's really cool. And actually, what do they call that? It's a beaded pin cushion embellishment. There we go. Can't say the word. Embellishment. So that's what they call that. But I can see it as removing stitches because I seem to frog a lot. So it's like a frog helper. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed my Flosstube Extra. And I want to thank Vicki of Stitch and Button for putting together such a beautiful box. And I can't wait to start my Fox and Rabbit pattern. So you'll be seeing Graveyard Jack in the near future. So I hope that everyone will stay safe, healthy, and happy. And I hope that whatever you're crafting it to your heart's content. I'll see you guys later. Bye.